music, art, inventions, and family. You are uplifting. You build up my soul and create positive reactions. You're there for me. You're dynamic. I'm there for you too. I need you now more than ever. You are the most important person in my life. You're an amazing man. You're an amazing woman. A human being. We read each other's mind in a thoughts hurricane. A thoughts hurricane that isn't destructive but constructive, building humanity up. We conjured. Blowtorch your soul's coal with a soothing fire, igniting history and the future. A house made of bricks and fire. Intense heat like a furnace. Thunderous thunderclaps of human poetry like a meteor breaking the Earth's atmosphere. We don't dream about it. We do it. You teach me things that should be obvious. You push down on me and I hold you up so you don't fall. You and God are the only reason I exist. We have billions of brothers and sisters. You tap right into my soul. You make me cry tears of joy and pain. Your energy is like a generator, powering me when I'm low. Your will is strong. Your power is never ending. Never ending. Never ending. Like a water spout, pushing me up higher, like a catapult with infinite projectiles, throwing white hot fire, burning down the walls of negativity to the land of positivity, reassurance and good energy, an electric tornado of love, creating the future generations. We look after them with our actions more than our words. Their words are just as important. Educating from an early age. Oh, how good it was to be a child. Planet Earth is the child. Space is the parents and the family tree. The stars are our ancestors. We need you now more than ever. You're a diamond in the rough. You're an international icon of the human race and Earth as a whole. No one understands, but you do. Not worrying about the consequences because you are creating foundations of the understanding of generations of time and knowledge and wisdom brought forth through hard work, struggles, failure, and triumphs. Everything is taken care of for you. Unpredictable direction changes. Just when I think you can't do anything, you do it all. You're better than something. You're everything. You're by my side, all of you. We will last forever. You activate me, I activate you. It's equality at its finest. Vice versa. Opposites attract. Final beginning. You will always be with us. You are humanity.